Hey guys, it's Minny from AllThingzJDM.
With a Z.
And today we got the...
We didn't do anything.
You got the blue Acty truck ready to be shipped to the port.
If you trying to work at Burger King, they would have fired you today. You didn't even show up for work.
Listen, there was a mishap.
I ain't trying to hear it. Even Jason called, was like, yo, where's Minny at? I was like, yo, she's asleep. I called you. Sleep. So for those who don't know, we purchased this truck.
Right.
We posted it for sale on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
And Jason reached out to us from North Carolina, stating that he wanted to purchase this truck. Once he sent us the money, we started getting the truck ready to be shipped to Baltimore. And here's the video of us, without her, getting the truck ready to be sent to the port. Yeah.
Gonna swap the battery.
Oh, he's putting a new battery?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
Well, not new, but it's much more better than the old one.
Dang.
Yeah. Second hand.
Okay. So, quick edit. As we were waiting for him to put the new battery in, he's helping someone down the block. This guy is just, it's like Superman, this guy. What'd you say?
He's putting the Japanese #1 battery.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He's gonna charge the AC now? AC. It's cool.
So it's cooling down than it was before we put in the gas.
Yeah.
We put in two bottles of that gas.
Yeah.
Compressor oil.
Yeah.
So it is cooling down. It won't cool down more than this.
Uh-huh.
So you feel it feels cool.
Yeah.
But it almost says it's probably the compressor. It's moving. It's not probably operating as it should be.
So can we get a new compressor and probably just send it in the mail? And he could change it as he sees fit?
Yeah, so there is no new compressor. There's no such thing as new.
Oh, okay, because the truck is too old.
Yeah, so what we can do is we can purchase one an old used one.
Yeah.
That works.
Yeah.
I mean, we could. I mean, but we want to get it on the ship on time, right?
Yeah. So we can just send it to him, and he could probably get it installed. I'm sure.
Okay.
These trucks are like Legos.
What
I
we
think.
can do is we'll purchase the compressor, and we're ordering the gas bottle. And we'll send the truck, and then if you could send the parts,
Absolutely.
the compressor with the bottle,
Absolutely.
and if you could get it fixed over there in the States.
Cool.
The AC system itself is working, but the compressor is not working as it should be.
Too easy. Too easy. Too easy. What's going on now? He's changing the oil?
Yeah, he's going to change the oil.
Dang, girl.
So we finished, so he's going to replace it with the new gasket.
Oh, this is brand new?
Yeah, it's a new one.
Okay.
バイオリン弾きさん土砂降りだから車で駅前で息子を迎えに行ったのに息子は待ちきれずに半分の距離まで歩いちゃった
Okay. Think we're done. Radio's installed. Paperwork's in the seat. All in a day's work. Cash is paid. We're headed to the port.
That concludes the rest of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and all of our social media is linked down below.